Hi Chanel, we're having a cup of tea and the cookie jar is empty. Maybe you and I could make some cookies together.
Hi Chanel, how are you today? I'm having a cup of tea.
Grandad, what's your favourite cookie?
My favourite cookies are feta rolls.
No, they're not cookies. What about cookies?
Oh, cookies. Alright, my favourite cookies are ginger cookies.
Okay, let's go and find a recipe for those cookies then. You want to follow me? Your mum has one of these books, so you can do the same recipe at home with mum. This is the one we're going to do. Ginger crisps. I'm going to need a large saucepan and all the ingredients. So let's get them all together now. Let's put the butter and the syrup into our saucepan so we can melt them. Next we need a bowl and a sieve for the dry ingredients. I'm going to turn on the oven now because that needs to get hot. A few more dry ingredients to go in. Okay, you just got to sieve that through. Now I'm putting the sugar in the melted butter and syrup. We'll give that a stir. Okay, and we've got an egg. Put that in there. And give that a good stir. Okay, and then we put our dry ingredients in. And stir that all around. So, I've got a baking tray and some baking paper. We need some extra sugar to dip the cookies into as well. This is where we get our hands dirty. Now we need a fork to press those cookies down. And now they're ready to go in the oven. How about that, Chanel? We'll leave them to cool, then fill the cookie jar.
And then we'll eat them.
Yay!